Hello and welcome to my first ever K-pop album unboxing. Yes, that's right, I don't own any K-pop albums, and I've decided to buy six. Two Blackpink albums, two Twice albums, and two BTS albums. I'm so excited for this. My friend of mine, he collects a lot of Luna and Twice albums, and I thought, you know what, I have the financial capability of buying some albums, so I thought to spend £152, I think it ended in. A lot of money, but I'm very excited for this. So first of all, I'm going to start with BTS. This is the Love Yourself Tear version. Oh, I can see it on the side. And I got this one because I love the album a lot. And I also got the, what's this? Map of the Soul 7, and just his size comparison, because Jesus, this is massive. Good lord. And it doesn't actually fit in the shelf I had prepared, and that's it compared to a mouse. It is enormous. And I got that version because it reminds me of Black Swan, because it's got Black Swan 7 on it. But I'm just going to start off with the tier one first, just to get started. And so I got this album because Fake Love is it's one of my favorite, if not my favorite K-pop song. It just really got me into it. I always dance along. The song means so much to me, and I could have got the bigger packaged version of it, which I think it's Answer, which includes all the songs. But I really just wanted to go to the album, which is exactly to do with Fake Love and all the other B-sides like Singularity and whatnot. So yes, guys, this is the first time I'm unboxing a K-pop album, or an album anyway. It feels so good. I'm so excited for this, and I'm just doing this on the bed next to me. So I'll be holding up everything to the camera and going through it because I haven't seen what's actually inside, and I hope to get some good photo cards out of this. I don't really mind. I'm not an anti. I don't hate any of the members. I'm looking forward to this. So yeah, the black looks really nice. It actually feels really good, and it just it just slides off. And okay, so the photo album and the disc thing is separate. There's the disc with the drawing type thing on. Oh, here's all the goodies inside. And okay, so what do you get in here? Okay, so you get a picture of actually all of them in the style of another album. Okay, and here's what's this? A BTS membership card. I'm actually not too sure what that is. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. There's my photo card. What's this? Next. Okay. And what is this? Not too sure what it is. It was in Korean. I think this is the type book thing. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Okay, photo card time. Who do I get? Who do I get? Who do I get? Hopefully, I don't know. Preferably Jimin or Jungkook, but I don't mind any of them really. Who do I get? Oh, I got Jungkook. Let's go. Okay, that's great. Look, oh my god, it looks sick. Hope you guys can see that. Wow. Yeah, it looks good. I'm happy. I'm happy with that pull. I wouldn't mind. Any of them would be fine. That's good. Let's actually go into this album a bit. So, like I said, I'm going to go through each page and show up to the camera because I don't really know what's inside it. So I got this version because it was mainly black and white, and it just reminds me more of Black Swan. I know it's not all in black and white, a lot of it's in colour, but it's just it's personal preference, and it just reminds me, black and white just reminds me of Fake Love quite a bit, and so I decided to get this version really. So I will get better at holding it up to the camera. I'm just a bit getting used to it. I don't really know how to hold it at the same time and look. I'm just practicing at the moment. Yeah, there's V. I think it looks insane. God, look at V, man. Hella jealous, man. God's sake. These dudes, man. Being a bloody 21-year-old man and just looking at these other men who looks 10 times better than me, it's like, Jesus Christ. I need God, it feels really good quality actually. The pages, like, it's weird. Like I've never, like I said, I've never held one before. Ooh, a full page. That's cool. That's cool. But yeah, I've never held an album before. And just like, it's not like, I wouldn't say it's paper paper. It feels like something else, not cardboard, but it feels like it's obviously like a type of paper of sorts. But it feels good, you know. Like I'm looking forward to expanding my collection with these 6 albums, and so just a little backstory. I know I'm just on the BTS one, but so I got BTS because I love BTS. I saw them at Wembley last year, and I got Blackpink because they're really sort of like the group that I guess I kind of like connect to most. I just really like. I love their music, and How You Like That was absolutely amazing. Actually, so you check out that reaction if you're interested. I saw them in concert last year as well, and I got twice because I bloody love all their albums. There are other people that I would like to, get the albums for, maybe like Chungha or TXT or Idol. There's many groups, but I think these are like my 3 top ultimate groups, which I love all their music for, really. So I'm just getting it. I'm just gonna tidy all of this away because want to be neat, and if somebody barges into my room, I don't want to, have a messy thing and they might ask what on earth am I doing? Because of course I haven't told my family I like K-pop, so I'm kind of, I guess, hiding it from them, even though I'm displaying it, but whatever. And okay, so what's the best way of putting this? Like that? Really, yeah. Okay, so let's try and slide this back in here. Okay, and ooh, go on doing this. Sorry about this. I'm just gonna leave this in, and ooh, here we go. Map of the Soul 7. So I think this is version 2. It's the one with like the black 7, because the Black Swan, I guess the single, the cover for it is a 7. So not a 7. It's black, and I don't know. I really like Black Swan quite a lot. It probably reminds me quite a bit of Fake Love. But yeah, I've been a fan of BTS since like 2016. Really, it's just like I said, it's the first time I've had the money to be able to buy albums so I can actually support them and such. So looking forward to it. And I wonder what you get on the inside actually. So this is a bit of bloody hair on it from like delivery. I have no idea what that was. So anyway, and how do you open it? How am I? Okay, there you go. Sorry, it was bizarre. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's a bunch of like knickknacks and oh, I can see who I got there. It was Jin Dub. Nice, good photo card. Very good. Happy with that a lot. That's really good. God, the disc looks really good. I know this might look weird, but like it looks so high quality. Oh yeah, I should maybe do that hand thing that people do to like focus it a bit better. Wow, it's yeah, I know that's such a bizarre thing to say, but yeah, the disc looks great. What else do we have in here? So okay, so what's this? Is this not like a is that a lyrics thing? Not too sure really. Okay, so this is a little postcard type thing. This little cute little image. Oh, it's got no, it's not. It's got some signature type things in the back. That's a cool thing to get. Yeah, so the Jin photo card as well. There's nothing on the back here. I just thought I would check, because I know some of these cards, like my mate said, sometimes you get like a signature on the back or like just something. Okay, so I got another one of these like membership card things again. Once again, let me know what these are in the comments below. I'm just gonna hide the QR code on it just in case you get something. So there's some stickers which I won't be using really. I'm not really a sticker person. I don't know. Like, I'm not gonna put it on like a school book or anything like that because I finished now. So yeah, I'm not. It's a cool little addition, you know, something extra. And here's some paper. It's just a white blank piece of paper with a white 7 on it. What on earth is this? Just like waving my hand like what? I have no idea what this is. I put my hand. I just put my hand behind it just to, so it would focus, but of course it doesn't work. So it's like a see-through paper. So there's all the songs in the album. Sorry, that's reversed because I'm using my webcam to record it. Okay, so here's the actual stuff here, and what is this? Just okay. Okay, so it comes in a nice little packaging. Okay, I'm just gonna slide that up and just, you know, preserve it a bit, you know. God, these images look really good. I'm gonna have some issue showing these on camera, I think, because it's like pitch black. So I think I might just quickly go through them myself. Oh, God, look at RM then. Jesus, man, looks insane. Looks really good. Some insane visuals. Yeah, so Mapstone 7, great album. I'm glad it sort of includes all the Persona songs as well, because it's like, ooh, I will probably eventually get it, but it's like, ooh, I kind of, at the moment, I don't have to spend any more because I've already spent 150 quid. This says V there, looking bloody insane, and God's sake, bloody V, looking insane. But yeah, I'm just quickly going through this because it's quite hard. And for you to see, there's Jin there again. That's like for my photo card. Lovely, lovely. RM. I think that was J-Hope. Yeah, that's it really. I will, for the other albums, I will go one by one. It's just for this, I'm just being a bit safe. And I kind of want to keep that outer packaging just because it looks a bit nice and don't want to like rip or anything. So I'm just going to try and fit it in here. If I can, I give it up. I'm just going to put it in there. I'm just going to put everything on top again. So yeah, that was good. Glad I got the Jin photo card there. Great picture. Mr. Worldwide Handsome, you know, looking great. Great album. Bit of heft to it. So yeah, that is BTS done. I think next I'm going to move on to Blackpink. So the albums I have for Blackpink are Square Up pink version and Kill This Love black version, just because, you know, I want like different colours in my collection. I just want it to look different. Just, you know, I'm not a massive fan of the logo or the emblem of Kill This Love, to be honest. And I remember I sort of saw a lot of fans on Twitter sort of saying the same thing about the emblem not looking the best. That's why I didn't buy any merch when I saw that concert, because I personally wasn't a massive fan. So I'm doing Blackpink next, just because I got twice Phil's special and I got twice More and More. And More I have the pre-order bonuses, so I'm just kind of leaving that to the end, you know, just to, you know, make you guys wait. And, you know, you get bonus stuff, extra photo cards, you know, I'm going to leave it to the end. Cool. So I'm just trying to tear off the Square Up pink version. I think I'm a lot more excited to open these albums, to be perfectly honest, just for the photo cards of the girls. You know, I'm a big fan of, you know, girl groups quite a lot. You know, I want to collect their photo cards, you know, just because it might be a bit weird if a straight male collects men photo cards, but whatever, it's not. It looks great anyway. Okay, so this is the lyric book for Square Up. Great album. I like the little holographic thing at the front, actually. That's a bit cool. Looks really cool. I don't think you can see it on camera though, but it feels really nice. And yeah, so here are my photo cards, and there's a group photo behind it. So it looks like you get 2 photo cards here. One's with like a little signature on the back. That's what I was talking about earlier on. There's a nice group photo of them. Hand thing. See if that works. Lisa, Jenny, Rose, and Jisoo look amazing, and a little postcard type thing. That's a little cute thing. Okay, so who do I get? So on the back of this actually says Jisoo, and then boom, look at that. God, Jisoo looks insane there. What the hell? Man, this is actually like an insane pull to get. Wow. Okay, so I have no idea who. Oh, it's Lisa. Come on, let's go. I love Lisa. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Lisa. As you can't tell, my bias is Lisa. Jesus, Lisa Manaban. Oh my gosh, she looks insane there. Look at that like black eyeshadow and like the green hat. Looks insane. So I'm just trying to focus it just to be better, but you guys can see it fairly well anyway. I'm just double checking just to try and make it look insane. God, Scarlet was a good album, really kick it. See you later and do 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 do. I think I got those songs right. My memory's pretty appalling. Oh, that disc is so disappointing. Sorry, I just have to say it. It's just a default disc, but I guess it is technically their first packaged album and whatnot. But God, Loki. Yeah, but it's not a massive deal. I'm just showing you the group one again. Try and do the hand focus thing so you can see a bit better this time. Do the photos now actually. Really interested to see what you get photos wise. And so the first picture is that Jisoo? Damn. Look at Jisoo there. I'm just trying. Oh, okay. Let me. Just moving to get into a better position here. So I can show it to you guys clearer. Oh my god, look at Jennie here. What? Jennie looks insane. Oh my god. Actually, Jennie's been bias-wrecking me hard lately, man. Actually. Look at Lisa here. Nice, nice, nice. Rose. Look at that, covering her face. God, I love these girls. Oh, that's a cool outfit from Rose, actually. That's really nice. Lisa, same outfit, just different pose. God, they really know how to take good photos, don't they? These capable. God, look at Jennie here, man. Look at her. God, I remember. I think I had this as my wallpaper, my phone wallpaper background for a while. Wow, Rose here looks really like someone from Luna. I can't remember. Is it? There's a picture where they're like in the exact same position. I can't remember. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments. I think I've just gone mad though. Jennie on the floor. Jennie on the floor. God, Jennie, man, come here. Lisa. Wow. God, it's just insane. Let me know in the comments who your guys' biases actually. I'm really interested just to sort of see who people who watch my videos, who their biases are actually. And okay, Jennie, okay, we get it. Slaying. Jisoo, that wig thing again. Okay, sorry. And insane. It's really good. And Lisa, I mean Jennie, soldier. I can't speak English, guys. It's my first language, by the way. Sorry, my brain just froze there for a second. God. Okay, wow. That was good. I think the pictures on that album were top tier, actually. Really, really good. I'm really happy with that. I'm curious to see what the other pictures were in the black version of that album. That was really good. Sorry, I'm just having a little drink break. Sorry about that. And yeah, it's boom, dub. Okay, I'm really happy with that. Looks really good. Feels really good. So I'm just admiring the pictures here. And a little signature thing on the back. and then Jisoo's actually wrote like a little message on the back, which is actually really cute. Wow, yeah, that's good. I'm really happy with my pulls from that album. Curious to see what other, like, let me know what you guys got. If you guys bought. Okay, just trying to put it back in. Okay, yeah, okay, that looks good. Right, now we have Kill This Love. Do do do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, just. Sorry, I'm just trying to open it without chopping my hand off. Okay, okay. There we go. Okay, perfect. Okay. So I'm just doing this off screen. I didn't realise. Whoops. Okay. Here we go. God, it's so satisfying removing cling film wrap from this. I think everybody. Damn. There's the album again, which I talked about before. That's on its side. Okay. It's quite bare, the side, actually. It's just the name of the song. It doesn't have like any logos, like, you know, YG Entertainment and whatever. It's just, okay, how do I remove? Hello? Come on, I'm just trying to shake it off. Remove. Aha. Okay, there you go. Right, there's a little claw thing. Trying to take everything out like that, do it upside down. There's the disc again. Once again, the disc is. No, the disc is definitely nice. It does look quite good. But I have seen on twice. Ooh. Wow. Hold on a second. I got spoiled for what was in there. Jesus. Okay, I won't say yet. I won't spoil you guys. Oh my god, Lisa poster. Holy shit. Is that random? It must be a random poster. God, I'm so lucky. That's insane. Wait, let me know if it is random posters for each member. And I wonder if each member has like different potential posters as well, maybe. But yeah, I liked how they had all their things, like all the rewards you get, like all the photo cards and stickers and stuff all in one thing. Oh my god, look at Jenny here. Jesus, Jenny. That you, yeah, Jenny. That you, yeah. Wow. Jisoo looking insane as well. Lisa, Rose. God, I really like that Rose picture actually. Jisoo again. Rose in that dress. Damn, shoulder showing. Damn. Right, I'm gonna. Hold on a second. The picture before Jenny was like wearing like a frilly thing. What earth? Like from bloody Victorian times. Jeez. Only really looked at it now. God, I remember being so excited for Kill This Love. I remember like before the song came out, I remember like I was shaking with nerves before like watching the live stream beforehand. I was so nervous. It's Lisa again in that. I think it was a blonde wig. I think it was a wig. I'm not too sure. God, insane visuals, man. Actual. God, look at them, man. Oh, sorry. Wow, Jisoo looking mad as well. God, pictures are so good. I'm looking forward to Blackpink's new album though, whenever that comes out. I remember people sort of saying it like July, August, or September or so. I know that's probably like 3 months or so, but like it can't be this month. It can't be July. It has to be either August or September. Then I think we're also going to get Rosé's solo this month, this year. So I wonder when that would be. And yeah, I hope everything goes smoothly, and I hope the album's great. Can't wait to do an unboxing of that album. I think I'll definitely be buying these 3 groups. I think all their next albums I'll definitely be buying physically, or like a physical version of, because this so far seems quite fun actually, opening all these and like seeing who you get and having the album physically and such. Looking forward to being able to display them. I think at the end of the video I'll show like a quick image of what I managed to do afterwards, once I get all of this done and package it all. But yeah, that was really good. Okay, so it's time to open these things. So what's this? It's like a little... Ooh, what is this? It's like a little newspaper type, card type thing. I'm not too sure. It's like I guess more photo book images, I guess. I'm not too sure really. Let's see, because they seem like photo card type pictures. Because it's not like they're... It doesn't. Some of these look like they're not just modelling. They're just like, you know, just having fun really. Bit weird this. I'm not too sure what it is. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's extra stuff, extra pictures, and yeah, what's this? Just Lisa thinking about her next Lily dance performance. And yeah, that's a cool little addition, I guess. And what's this? This is the lyric book, and it's Lisa on the front. I wonder if that's different. Okay, so each member seems to be at like a different song. I wonder if that's random. I'm assuming it's not random. That'd be a bit weird to random each thing. But yeah, because I know in Twice their photo books have like it's like one member at the front or whatever, and that's random. So I wonder if it's the same case. Okay, anyway, the goodies. Let's open the goodies. Let's see what I get. I like how it's all packaged up in this little thing, because it, you know, keeps everything together, and you know, make sure nothing gets lost. It's all, you can, you know, hide it away. Okay, some stickers. Kill this love, Blackpink. Okay, some nice little images. Oh, that's the little the trap, the bear trap they were in. That's cool. Oh, and some album logos. I like how you get each version. Actually, that's pretty cool. Okay. God, look at all these pictures I have here. Jesus. Okay, and cool. So what do you get out of these then? Okay, let's see. So, boom, upside down, damn, rose, and damn, they got... Oh yeah, I forgot there's controversy around this album about how, you know, they look like they were like abused or beaten up or whatever. I'm not too... I wouldn't really complain about it really. It's because it's just the... Because it's what the album's representing, isn't it? About the killing this love, and you know, I don't know. I'm not an expert on these things. Trying to focus. Jisoo looks good. Lisa looked good. The one before, and then Jennie. Wow, really bloody zoomed into her face there. Jesus. Okay. Anyway, now photo card time. This is what we were waiting for. Who do I get? But it is Lisa again. Yes, that is right. I am the luckiest devil alive to get Lisa. God, how did I get 2 Lisa photo cards out of these 2 albums? That's so lucky. My bias. That's just mad. That's what I saw earlier on. Yeah. So I gotta put it all back in here, package it up again. God, I'm so looking forward to being able to present all of these and being able to expand in the future. Because I know the single for How You Like That is getting like a physical release, so I can get that, and then I can get the album as well. So I'm gonna definitely be unboxing all of these if people enjoy my unboxings. I don't know if you would or not. I don't know. Okay, so that is Blackpink done. Now we have Twice. So I got the Twice Feel Special album. It's the first one I'm going to unbox. This isn't the version I wanted. I really wanted like the white and gold one, because that's really like Feel Special. This scene is not even that long. It's like Chonghyun's scene really, and when they're all wearing dresses and such. It's not like a super long scene, but I have sort of seen inside these albums kinda, so I know like what I'm expecting. Because like I was really being picky for these albums, because there's 3 different versions, and I really wanted to get the version that's right. So for now I've got this version, which I can't really remember what it's even called, and it doesn't say it anywhere. But yeah, I've sort of kind of seen what's inside, so I kind of know what type of images and they look insane. So my bias for this group is Dachyon, or some people say Tachyon, but I don't know. And oh my god, I got Sana lyric work. I got Nion's disc. God, the disc looks insane. Actually, Jesus, wow, that's really lucky actually. Nion looks insane. Sana looks insane. I wonder who I get in these photo cards, because I know for Twice you get quite a few photo cards. So should I go through them now? Or wait till at the end? I'll do it now. So I'll go through this gold one first, which is ooh, it was Chaeyoung's scene right at the beginning, in the little like snow globe type thing. Focus, come on. God, she's so small. I mean, she's quite small anyway. But God, I'm really struggling to being able to focus on this. Yeah, cool. So let's see who else I get in my actual photo cards. It's cool how you get so many, but that's because there's so many members. And boom, Mina! Pog. I'm so glad Mina's back. I know in Feel Special that technically wasn't, but I'm glad. It's a little like Feel Special sign on it. That's cool. Oh my god, I got Golden Rose Chewy. God, Chewy, like, it's probably one of the best visuals in any K-pop group. Period. Really, it's pretty mental. And God, and I got Sana. Let's go. Sana Pog. Oh, and Nyon. Let's go. Nion's always great. Nion's bloody lovely and insanely beautiful. And I also got Changyan as well. Cool. So I've got quite a few different members here. It's good. I don't think I got any duplicates. Cool. Yeah, I'm happy with my pulls. I think you can get duplicates. I think I've saw people who like got maybe like 2 Nions or so. I could be wrong, but it's cool that I got multiple different members. Sana felt lyric book, which is pretty cool to get. Sana's just insane. So yeah, the reason I got the Feel Special album instead of like Twice to Gram or any of the older ones, it's just because Feel Special is really the song that like I've always listened to like the Twice music since like 2016 when I got into it, but like the whole album for me like really like set my spark for loving Twice and made me watch 16 and the Twice TVs, and like it's really good, and like Feel Special is just such an amazing song. I think in the future when I have a bit more money, I think I'll spend more on albums, but at the moment I think 152 quid is enough money to spend on albums, especially as a lot of people can't spend albums at all and have to support them in other ways, which is fine. But yeah, so I'm just going through like a dial. Oh my god. So yeah, Chaeyoung as well. My best mate is a massive fan of Chaeyoung, so like shouts to him. Gonna be zooming into those for him. Even though he owns every version of like every Twice album anyway, but still, shout out to him if he's watching. The dresses just look insane. Look at these pictures. Nion looking insane. God. My neck. Oh my god, hold on a sec. Okay. God, the girls all look insane in this. Really. Changyan now. Looking mad. As always, They always look insane. Momo, Pog. Any poggers from Momo, guys? God, Momo's insane. Wow. So I'm just really just, you know, just sucking in all the images and, you know, appreciating them all at the moment. Geo's just like insane. Like, I don't want to say glow up because that's rude. Because she's like, I feel like since Dance the Night Away, she's really like shone. I hope that's not rude. I don't think it's rude. I think it's fine. Let me know if I step too long. Mina, I'm just so glad that she's back. Really like, you know, missed her. The stages were definitely, oh my god, sorry. Taeyeon, insane as always. God, just look at the dress, man. It's mainly the reason why I got this version, because look at that image on the right. Jesus, man. Actually insane. Man. God, she's just so cute, man. Just looks insane on her. The hair colour, oh my. Actually pretty mental. There's some Chaeyoungs now. I'm joking, I'll go back. I was teasing my friend. You know who would want to see the Chaeyoung pictures. Chaeyoung is very beautiful as well. And then Chewie, who's just a goddess among, right, was it? Yes, a goddess among humans. Chewie's just probably top tier visuals in the whole K-pop community, to be honest. There's a lovely group photo. Done! In the middle, let's go! I'm really happy with this version, actually. All the pictures were great, all the members looked amazing. Got a sound alert book, which I'm still gassed about. I got you know, great diversity in photo cards. And that is that, I would say, for that album. Really good. Feels great. It's a bit hefty. There's the other songs in the background. Breakthrough's great. They're all great, really. La Foolish and such. I like the side. I like how it has JYP on it. Yeah, and just other stuff. Okay, now more and more. Let's go. So got the album, the photo cards, and I get a poster. Let's go. Okay, so what is this poster? I think I was told it's not random. I think my friend told me it's not random. Oh my god. Sadly, I'm not going to be having these posters up, but maybe one day when I get my own place, it would look great having all these posters up. Have that Lisa one up, can have this one up, and did I get any other posters? I don't think I have yet. Okay, so let's see this. These are the set photo cards that you get. So these are different per set, and okay, well, hold on. Each card seems to be sticking together a bit. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna lay them out a bit. And God, I love these pre-order set ones. Hey, hold on. I'm missing Dai. Where's Dai on here? I'm missing one. Hold on a second. Oh, there's Chewie. There it is. Pog. I like how you get these set photos for the pre-orders, because then you get a member of each, you know, so at least you get like a photo card type thing for your favourite member. That's Chewie there looking insane, and there's Chaeyoung for my friend and everyone else. There's Taeyeon, little flowers in her hand. Dub. There's Mina. Let's go. Mina's finally back in this. Finally performing stages. The son of the ginger hair. Ginger hair. Is that what you call it? Orange hair. Momo. Nope. Let me got. Jonghyun here. Oh, sorry. Something fell. Whoopsie. Nayeon. There's a group photo of them, which is nice. Yeah, I definitely need to be pre-ordering albums in the future, so I can get all the pre-order bonuses as well. That seems to be a must-do. So I'm just putting them all away here. And cool, so now we've got the actual album to open. Oh, there's a little gap there for me to put the scissors in, perfect. Try not damage anything. And I got the, is it the A version? The 1 version, whatever it's called. The one with the big picture. Because, you know, it just looks great. Because it's got a lovely big photo on the side, and it's like a nice colourway, the, you know, white and gold, reminds me of that Feel Special album I didn't get, and it's going to look great on display as well. So yeah, let's open this. Ooh, no way, you guys can't see, but okay, I got the Nyan lyric book, which is cool, and then the disc. You guys are gonna, oh no, I won't go on the disc yet. Look at this, guys, I got Dion's disc. Let's go, look at that, it looks insane. I'm so happy. I'm just gonna go through this type. Is it a lyric book? Oh, I remember sort of seeing a video of them. They've ripped up each one, so when Twice were unboxing it. So you get like a weird card type thing for each member. It's not weird, it's cool actually. You know, looking thick. Jaeyoung with that like rodeo cowboy type thing that she's wearing. And then on the other side is, oh okay, it's like a group picture. Oh, so you can put it together. Okay, I get it. I'm not going to do that now. Not yet indeed. Whew. Okay, so I seem to got a coaster type thing. Is this a coaster? And it is Nyan. I feel like I'm getting a lot of Nyan things. I think I am, which is cool. I like Nyan. So I got it on the lyric book, and I got it on the disc in the one before, and I got a photo card of her. Okay, so what's this? It's a packaged thing. I'm not going to open it, I don't think. Okay, so it's a more type thing. Assuming everyone gets this. Okay, should I do the photo cards now or at the end? What should I do? Don't know if I want you guys to wait a bit, you know. Nah, I'll do it now. Poof. Okay, so this is a group scene. Oh, that's Chaeyoung's birthday picture, which if you watch the Twice TV thing, they did. Okay, so who else did I get? Oh, I got a subunit. Let's go. I know my mate didn't get any subunits. Oh my god. What's that? Mina, Chewy, and Chaeyoung. Oh no, it's Momo, Chewy, and Chaeyoung. Dub. That's a cool subunit card. I know my mate didn't get any subunits. I know he was fuming about that actually. Okay, so I got Chungyeon to start off. I got 2 Chungyeon cards. Okay, first dupe, I would say. Technically, not really, because it's different pictures. Oh, let's go. Damn, she's doing insane. Got some Jiho cards finally. Nice, Jiho, insane. Okay, what do I get next? Come on, I really want to die on one. Ooh, okay. Wow. Okay, so I got another Jiho one. 2 Jihos straight away. That's a dub. She's got some like braids in her hair. Oh, and that's it, isn't it? Oh. Okay, that's not. I kind of wish I got maybe another. Maybe I wanted to die on one, and maybe another Momo and Chewy. Oh yeah, whatever. It's still good. I'm happy with the members I got anyway. Cool. So now we've just got the photo book left, guys, and let's go through this. Okay, so we got some group photos of them here. That's cool. Really good. I like these pictures. There's Nyan by herself. Chunghyun. Because they always do these things at the start, don't they? They go like one by one, which is cool. Oh, she's trying to grab her hand. Grab her hand. Dion! Pog. Oh, my camera's really not focusing here. Come on. There we go. Chewy, insane. If you guys want me to do more, let me know. And just if you guys have any like advice, let me know. You know. Also, if you guys want me to react to some some groups or some songs. Let me know if I haven't reacted to any. Just let me know, because I do a lot of I mean, all my other content's just reacting to stuff. I just started it just because, you know, I wanna reminisce and like look back on my reactions when stuff came out. But yeah, I've really enjoyed doing my reactions. I love all the support you get as well. The community is always very welcoming. Like the Jimin, I reacted to Jimin's filter from episode 7, and it has like insane amount of views. It's got like 10k, which is mental for me. I like really appreciate everyone who's, you know, watched it and liked it. It's got many likes, a lot of supporting comments. You know, I do really appreciate it. And you know, it's making me sort of try out new things. You know, I bought these for myself. I also bought these just, you know, see other people's like, you know, see if other people liked me reacting it. You know. Cool. So I'm just quickly going through this again because I forgot where I was. Because I'm a silly boy. Momo. Okay, big Dion seen by all herself. Some flowers. Right, Chewy, insane. She looks so innocent in this like comeback. Nice subunit there. Nyan, Momo, Chewy, and Dahyun, which is cool. What's the next subunit? There's gonna be another one. Oh, there you go. It's the rest of them. It's Mina, Jungyeon, Jiho, Mina, and Sana. Shy. God, I still can't believe I got the Dahyun disc. I'm lucky on that regard. There's Chongyeon there, just gazing into the flowers, it seems. What's your favourite song? I seem to be asking you guys a lot of questions actually, but you know, this video is quite long. You know, I just, you know, it's what? It's like, I don't know how long I've been recording for, like an hour maybe, or 50, I don't know. So, you know, I'm just trying to make conversation. And I am generally curious. Jiho, nice. Dub. Mina, let's go. God, these photos are really good. The quality is insane. The book, like the texture of the book's really good as well. Really enjoying it. Nice. Oh, we're coming. I think we're. Just going a bit, and there's that subunit again. And then a group photo. So I think we're coming to the end here, aren't we? God. Great. Insane. And then there's the lyrics, I guess, or whatever. And that's that. Done. Bish bash bosh. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, you know, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to, maybe, what you guys want me to react to. Check out my other reactions, you know. Plug everything, you know. Really enjoyed this, and I'll definitely do more again in the future. I'm very happy with my pulls actually. I think my pulls were insane. For Blackpink they were really good. BTS they were really good, and you know, I'm definitely happy with my Twice ones as well. I just maybe would have liked to get at least one Dahyun's photo card, but whatever. I'm just okay. Where should I put these? But yeah, that's it guys, that's the end of the video. You know, let me know what you guys think, and see you all guys in the next video. Peace.